Introducing the powerful and stylish 2024 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY2, 0TDI 15 in grey. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and ambient lighting, this estate vehicle is perfect for families on the go. With luxury interior trim and third-row seating, everyone will ride in comfort. Safety features, including multiple airbags and parking assistance, give you peace of mind on the road. With limited slip differential and energy recuperation, this Skoda Kodiaq is efficient and reliable. Call us today or visit our website spiritskoda.ie to learn more. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty.